Hello and welcome to this particular chapter where we are going to discuss about various solutions and products from NVIDIA. It's important from the examination point of view, and obviously it is because we are appearing for NVIDIA certification exam for generative AI and LLM. So we must expect some questions around various products from NVIDIA and solutions it offers. So what's the way to prepare for that? There are a number of products, and I believe one simple way to prepare for that is go through NVIDIA's website. So you can see here I'm on NVIDIA website, and under product sections you have a number of products under different categories: cloud services, data center, embedded systems, gaming, graphics cards, laptops, networking, professional workstations. There are huge number of products. Is it possible for anyone, any individual to know all of these? Actually, it's not required because we are concerned about the products for generative AI and LLM. So let's start with the software products. Under software products category, you can see Agentic AI products here, AI inference microservices, data science related products, generative AI Nemo. Then industry specific, you can see healthcare Clara, telecommunications Ariel, AI microservices, which is based on CUDA's platform, and cybersecurity products like Morpheus or industrial AI with Omniverse. So there are different types of products. They may be used one or more than one industry. Some of them may be generic, some of them may be very specific to industry like healthcare or automotive or energy and so on. Well, so out of this, what should we focus? First of all, what approach I'm taking it? I'm trying to understand at least a high level overview of what this product is for, and out of them, little bit in depth for some of them. For example, I want to understand that Clara is a product especially for healthcare. It says NVIDIA Clara is a suite of computing platforms, software, and services that powers AI solutions for healthcare and life sciences, from imaging and instruments to genomics and drug discovery. So you can see here biopharma, digital health, and medical devices. Now, can I go in depth? No, I'm not intending to go in depth of NVIDIA Clara. Now, let me go back and see here another product. Let's say data science rapids. This is of my interest from the examination perspective. So what is rapids? Rapids is part of NVIDIA CUDA-X, is an open source suite of GPU accelerated data science and AI libraries with APIs that match the most popular open source data tools. So what it tells is Rapids is your data science platform, which is built on top of your CUDA platform. You have data frames like cuDF, cuML, and cuGraph. Then you have accelerated libraries for different functions. And on top of that, you build your data science and AI applications. So from examination point of view, I believe Rapids is going to play a key role. You must understand what are its benefits, how does it accelerate data science, and how does it provides flexibility across data workloads through your accelerated pipeline, or you talk about the libraries, different use cases, and industry solutions. So, my recommendation, try to understand Rapids in depth. Let's go back here under the product section, Generative AI Nemo. Since we are talking about generative AI, Nemo is going to play a key role. NVIDIA Nemo is an end to end platform for developing custom generative AI, including large language models, vision language models, retrieval models, and so on. So you can easily build data flywheels to continuously optimize AI agents. So NVIDIA Nemo, as I understand, is for generative AI, as you can see here, and this is going to play a key role from certification perspective as well, because the certification itself is about generative AI and LLM. So try to understand how you can build a complete solution which is enterprise ready or which is an enterprise grade application using generative AI models and NeMo. So you can see here NeMo curator, customizer, evaluator, retriever, guardrails, and NVIDIA name. So you may have questions around what is NeMo curator used for and what is the job of NeMo evaluator. So you can just explore, and this is also an important part of preparation. Now going back to the products, what are the other products? Another product of your interest could be cybersecurity Morpheus, industrial AI omniverse, overall NVIDIA AI enterprise platform, and some of the other ones. So just have a look and decide which ones to go in depth and which ones you must acquire at least high level knowledge what that product is for, so that that will help you kind of eliminate and select the options in the examination question. Now if we go to solution section, here we have various NVIDIA solutions under the category of artificial intelligence, cloud and data center, digital and simulation, high performance computing, robotics, edge AI, autonomous vehicles. Now, which one is important for us? Should we focus on autonomous vehicles? Mostly no, because we are not concerned with that. High performance computing? Yes, high performance computing is something we should be interested in to understand how it works. Designs and simulation? To some extent, maybe, but I'm not so sure from examination point of view. But what I will be most interested is around the solutions of AI. What are the different conversational AI solutions? What are generative AI solutions? Let's say I go to conversational AI applications. So you can see here a number of solutions using NVIDIA NeMo, NVIDIA Riva, NIM, and blueprints. So you can see here Riva is used to build and deploy world-class AI agents, especially which are of conversational AI in nature. Then what are the other solutions? If I go back, solutions, generative AI. So, what are generative AI solutions? And you can see here AI factories, a new class of data centers. And under this, you can see NVIDIA NeMo, NVIDIA AI Foundry, which can be used to build custom generative AI models using enterprise data. So, it's like you are starting something from scratch using NVIDIA Foundry. Then you have NIM as microservices and the overall end to end platform of NVIDIA AI Enterprise. Under solutions, we have cybersecurity solutions, inference solutions, data science solutions. As I mentioned, data science solutions will be quite important from exam perspective. Let's look at what it has under cybersecurity. So explore, if I click on explore the technologies, we have NVIDIA Morpheus, confidential computing, Bluefield, blueprints, NIM, and so on. So NVIDIA Morpheus is quite significant one, which you can use to develop optimized AI pipelines for filtering, processing, and classifying large volumes of real time data. So, you should understand what these softwares are used for, what these solutions are used for. So, well, this is little bit about products and solutions. And as I said, it's not necessary to go in depth of each and every product, each and every solution, but what's important to at least know what that product or solution is used for, in what industry, and so on. Because at least if you know at high level what that product or solution is, it will help you find the right answer from the choice of answers. Well, that's about it on the products and solutions from NVIDIA. Thank you.